Okay folks, real quick video here to show you how to get your encrypted link for our program. Okay, this is a person that is an affiliate of mine, and this instructional video and this link and everything is in the training page that we set up for the affiliates. So here's what happens when they click on that link. They get this right here. I'm going to copy that. That's that member's encrypted affiliate page. I'm going to put it in here. And it shows up here. Okay, so everything
right. Thanks for taking
gets started right here.
Listen, I know your time is valuable, and I promise you I don't intend to waste it. Okay? So with that being said, here's exactly what the
But without going into a lot of detail, you know, this is what gets them started, and anything from this point on, if that person joins, that was sent to this affiliate's page. If they join, if they get sent to any of the programs up here, and they buy any of the programs up here, anything that happens from this point forward, that person that is the affiliate will get credit for, and they'll make money. Precisely 75% if they are signed up for any of the other programs in our multiple streams of income. Well, then they will make the money once they get people to sign up from this point forward. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and that's the way you get your encrypted link. And also you can get a standard text link on that page. So it's directly beneath this video, the link to get your encrypted link. All right, thank you.